Migrating data between QuickBooks Online accounts is straightforward but limited to list customers. Vendors, chart of accounts. Products or services, transactions like invoices require third-party tools for full transfer. Use. QuickBooks builds an export and import for speed 10 to 30 minutes, requires admin access. Backup first. Steps: export from source account, log into old QuickBooks.gear. Export data. Select items, for example, customers, vendors, download a CSV or Excel. Prepare data, open files. Clean duplicates and errors. Match import templates gear. Import data. Preview sample. Import to target account. Log into new QBO gear. Import data. Choose type like customers. Upload CSV. Map fields. Import. Verify. Check reports, for example, customer balance detail. Reconcile any mismatches. For full migration, including transactions, use apps like SAS and Transactions QBO App Store. Around $10 per month. Export all from old. Import to new 1 to 2 hours.